Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you avoid build failures. Install Python 3.8 or newer and create a virtual environment. This isolates packages. Next, install FFmpeg for audio conversion and test your microphone levels. Once done, use pip to install the TTS library you chose and run a simple import test to confirm the runtime loads. Make sure to note any error messages now. Early fixes save time later. And this setup gets you ready for model integration. Now you configure the voice and load the model. Choose between a lightweight model for CPU or a high-quality GPU model. Pick one that matches your hardware. Download the mafioso-style voice files and drop them into a model's directory. Edit config. JSON to set sample rate, pitch shift, and voice intensity so the timbre sounds gritty but clear. Once configured, run the loader script to cache assets and generate a short test phrase to evaluate tone and timing before integrating text input. Finally, synthesize your mafioso lines and polish the audio. Run the synth script with explicit text, voice, and outfile flags so output paths are clear. After generation, run FFmpeg normalization, light compression, and a subtle EQ boost to emphasize presence. If timing or artifacts appear, check logs for missing dependencies, confirm the model path, and reinstall the TTS package if necessary. Make sure to iterate on pitch and pacing until the delivery feels natural.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.